The HW-P200 Automotive circuit tester features 6 major testing functions, enabling quick diagnosis of various circuit issues. This tester comes in 3 colors: red, blue, and black. The power cable is available in 2 lengths, 2 meters and 5 meters. First, connect the battery. Should press the plus or minus key to select the mode to the right, left. Should press or long press the M key to enter, exit the current mode. In the test pages of DC voltage, resistance, diode, capacitance, and battery internal resistance, should press the M key to save the test value. In other test pages, should press the M key to adjust and set parameters and other information. Power supply button. Toggle the switch up and down to make the test probe output positive or negative power. This tester offers 9 testing modes. Use the plus or minus key to select the desired testing mode. 1. Multimeter function. DC voltage test can measure 0 to 36 volts voltage and 0 to 8A current. Resistance test, continuity test, diode test, capacitance test. 2. Oscilloscope function. In manual mode, the X and Y parameters can be set manually. Long press the plus key to switch to auto mode and automatically set the appropriate X and Y parameters. 3. Battery analysis function. Battery cranking voltage test. Should press the M key to start, stop the measurement. Press the start button first, then start the vehicle. Battery internal resistance measurement can measure battery voltage, power, internal resistance, battery capacity value. 4. PWM drive function. In this mode, it can drive components such as fuel metering valves and pressure regulators. The drive frequency and duty cycle can be adjusted. 5. Load test. This mode checks the power supply capability of the circuit. 6. Component activation. Bulb activation. Toggle the switch up to connect the positive terminal of the power supply to the test probe. Toggle the switch down to connect the negative terminal of the power supply to the test probe. 7. Settings. You can set 6 languages: Chinese, English, Portuguese, Spanish, Russian, and French. You can also set the key tone.